In the chapter Agriculture, most of my students feel that they have a difficulty in remembering the temperature, rainfall, the kind of soil required for so many crops. So, I just give you a tip, a clue by which you can remember it easily, and that is kindly make boxes in your registers like this, and you will be able to remember them in a very easy manner. Remember, you can make the boxes the way I have made, as you can see on the screen. Let's talk about the cereal crops of India. The two main cereal crops I have already told you are the wheat and rice. So, let me talk about wheat. See, it's a rabi crop. The temperature which is required is 10 to 15 degrees centigrade. The rainfall is 50 to 75 centimeters, and you need very fertile soil to grow wheat. The areas where wheat is grown is Punjab, Haryana and UP. Draw it quickly, children, in your registers, the first table that is to do with wheat. Now, let's move to the second cereal crop and immediately draw the table for the rice crop. It's a kharif crop, and the temperature that is required is it should be always more than 25 degrees centigrade. The rainfall 100 centimeters. The soil has to be very fertile and alluvial soil. The areas where it is grown in India is West Bengal, Kerala and Punjab. So, I am sure you have already drawn the first two tables of the cereal crops of India, that is wheat and rice. Just go through it twice and I am sure you will never forget it. Let's go to the beverage crop. As I said, something to drink. So, the two main beverage crop in India are tea and coffee. Let's make their tables. Tea. The temperature required 20 degree to 30 degrees centigrade. The rainfall 150 to 200 centimeters. The soil has to be well drained fertile soil. The areas where tea is grown is Assam, West Bengal, Tamil Nadu and Kerala. Have you drawn your table, children, for tea? Then let's move to coffee. Now, here the table is the temperature required for growing coffee 15 to 28 degrees centigrade. Rainfall required 150 to 200 centimeters. The loamy soil is required for this crop, and it's grown in Nilgiri Hills, Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu. Isn't it very easy, children? If you just make boxes and remember it like this, instead of just cramming it day and night. Well, the plantation crops. What is a plantation crop? The crop which is a single crop grown on a large scale. In the plantation crop, the first crop is cotton that I picked up. Temperature required 25 to 30 degrees centigrade. It's a black alluvial soil. That's the requirement for cotton crop, and the rainfall is 60 to 80 degrees centigrade. And Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Haryana and Punjab and Gujarat are the states where you actually see cotton growing. Then we come to sugarcane. This plantation crop needs a temperature between 21 degree to 27 degrees centigrade. The rainfall is 75 to 100 centimeters, and the states which grow sugarcane are Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. Children, if you just make these 6 boxes, you will easily remember the kind of crop it is, the temperature that is required, the rainfall requirement, the kind of soil and where it is grown. Isn't it very, very easy? So, quickly pick up your registers and draw these 6 boxes, and that is how you learn about these crops. Well, I continue with it in the next clipping.